Hi, my name is Jesse. What's your name?
My name is Nancy.
Okay, what's your name?
What's your name?
Mine is Helena.
Okay, Kathleen. Okay, nice to meet you guys.
Uh-huh.
What brings you guys to New Year's?
Just for the fun of it, since we have nothing to do today.
What's your favorite Hmong artist band?
My favorite Hmong artist band is I have a lot, like Paradise,
Just
New
one.
Breed. Oh, okay. I don't know. I guess I choose New Breed.
New Breed? Okay, yeah, that's
Yeah.
good. What's your favorite Hmong food?
Hmong sausage.
Hmong sausage. Hmong sausage. Hmong Dai or Hmong Joa?
Hmong Dad.
Hmong Dai, okay. Shaman or church?
I'm shaman.
Shaman? Okay, yeah, shaman, yeah. Respect both sides. How do you get out of the friend zone?
Oh. I honestly don't know how to answer that. It usually depends on the person.
Really?
Yeah, if you like a person
How should a guy get
and
out of your friend zone?
don't talk to me anymore.
What?
Like, if you're gonna get out of the friend zone, in order for if you like that girl, in order to get out of the friend zone, it's just to not talk to that girl, not have any relationship with that girl anymore. Because then, the more you talk to her as a friend, the more you're still gonna like her.
So don't talk to her. So what do you like at Hmong New Year's, and what do you dislike?
What I like at Hmong New Year's, the food and the ball tossing. It's fun, but what I don't like about it is that it seems a little not organized. So not a lot of Hmong people come anymore.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, not organized. Would you like to papa?
Right now.
Yeah, just for like 2 seconds.
Sure.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Hey, let me get the back. Record. Okay, I have this ball.
Oh, it's the big one.
Okay, you stand over there.
I don't know how far I'm supposed to stand.
Got it, Ace? Okay, here. One hand only.
1 hand only?
Yeah, go, go.
Oh man.
Okay, that's it. Go bao good ah.
去包.
Okay, give me your best ni yeah.
你耶.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Yeah,
Okay, thank
that's
you.
it. Thank you. Yeah.